Installation of a power cord for an electric dryer. 6 feet, 50 amps, 4-wire power cord for an electric dryer. Why is the power cord 6 feet long? The 2020 NEC, National Electrical Code, does not specify the length of the power cord, but Article 210.50, c, states that appliance receptacle outlet for specific appliance in dwelling unit shall be installed within 6 feet of the appliance location. Power cord clamp connector. Ground wire, green. Neutral wire, white. Hot wire, black. Hot wire, red. Open the dryer wiring compartment. Dryer wiring compartment. Wiring compartment knockout for cord installation. The dryer is pre-wired for a ground through neutral connection. No neutral to ground connection is allowed unless the wiring meets the requirements. The exception in Article 250.140 2020 NEC applies. Range connection terminals. Hot terminal, L1 gold screw. Neutral terminal, N, silver screw. Hot terminal, L2 gold screw. Ground terminal, GND. Power cord cable connector. Power cord connector, wings, that go into the wiring compartment and hold the power cord connector so it can't be pulled out. Wide power cord connector clamps prevent the connector from being pushed into the wiring compartment. Clamp connector screws. Open the wiring compartment knockout. Remove the screws and divide the cable connector into 2 parts. Insert the cable connector, wings, into the wiring compartment and connect the 2 parts of the connector again by loosely tightening the screws. Insert the dryer cord into the cord connector and tighten the connector screws. The wings of the cable connector inside the wiring compartment. The cable connector rests on the dryer frame. The cord sheath must extend beyond the cable connector at least 1/4 inch. Remove the ground screw and disconnect the neutral wire from the dryer frame. Connect the wires as follows. Neutral wire disconnected from the dryer frame and neutral wire, white, from the power cord to the neutral terminal of the dryer, silver screw, N. Ground wire, green, from the power cord to the ground terminal, on the frame, of the dryer using the ground screw, green, previously removed. Hot wire, black, from the power cord to one of the dryer's hot terminals, gold screws, L1 or L2. Hot wire, red, from the power cord to the second hot terminal of the dryer, gold screw, L1 or L2. Close the dryer wiring compartment and secure with a screw.